Here are the top 9 essential medicinal herbs to grow in your garden to use as home remedies, along with their uses and precautions. Let's start with aloe vera. Aloe vera. This plant is used topically to treat burns, psoriasis, any skin conditions, hemorrhoids, and osteoarthritis. Apply the gel to treat skin conditions or cut a small suppository of the inner part of the leaf and use that to treat hemorrhoids. Used in the oral form for digestive issues such as gastritis or constipation. Number 2. Chamomile preparations are commonly used for many human ailments such as inflammation, muscle spasms, menstrual disorders, insomnia, ulcers, wounds, anxiety and rheumatic pain, upset stomach, gas, and diarrhea. It is also used topically for skin conditions. Chamomile flowers have a mild, apple-like flavor that can be added to oatmeal, hot cereal, fresh green salads, drink it as a tea or use some petals in a cookie dough. Additionally, chamomile contains natural circulation boosters that can help reduce dark under-eye circles and calm puffy, tired, or irritated skin. Caution in people with ragweed allergy. Number 3. Echinacea is touted as an immune booster and used to fight cold and flu symptoms. But not only as an immune booster, but is also a popular herb that has been used for centuries to treat infections and purify the blood. Echinacea flowers can be used in various ways, such as making tea, tincture, and decoction. Here are some situations where it may not be appropriate to use echinacea. If you are allergic to plants in the daisy family, such as ragweed, chrysanthemums, and marigolds. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is best to avoid using echinacea as there is not enough evidence to determine its safety in these situations. If you are taking immunosuppressant drugs, such as corticosteroids or chemotherapy, you should avoid using echinacea as it may interfere with these medications. If you are undergoing treatment for autoimmune diseases, such as lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, you should avoid using echinacea as it may stimulate the immune system and worsen your condition. Number 4. St. John's wort, used to treat depression, anxiety, menopause, and sleep disorders. It is important to note that St. John's wort interacts with many medications, so it should be taken only under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you already take medications for depression. Number 5. Lavender, used to relieve anxiety and stress, promote relaxation and sleep, and alleviate headaches and pain. It is also important to note that while all lavender plants are edible, the flavor can vary greatly from plant to plant, and it is important to use caution when consuming lavender. Do not use lavender as a replacement for prescribed medicines or if you are allergic to it. Let me know in the comment what herbs do you grow in your garden. Please help the channel to grow by liking and subscribing. It will be greatly appreciated. Number 6. Peppermint, used to relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and nausea, as well as headaches and muscle pain. Peppermint also have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, and it can kill some types of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Peppermint can be used to improve energy levels, reduce muscle and nerve pain, and alleviate symptoms of the common cold. Peppermint can be consumed as tea, eaten raw, or added to dishes as a sweetener. Here are some situations why you should not use peppermint. If you are allergic to it, pregnant or breastfeeding, as it may cause harm to the baby. If you have gastroesophageal reflux disease, as it may worsen symptoms. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medication, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. If you have a hiatal hernia, as it may worsen symptoms. And do not use peppermint if you have liver or kidney disease, as it may worsen symptoms. Number 7. Sage is a versatile herb that has many health benefits to treat depression, memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, cognitive function, lower blood sugar, relieve menopausal symptoms, improve digestion, soothe sore throat and cough. Here are some situations why you should not use sage. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medication, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. If you have a seizure disorder, as it may worsen symptoms. Do not use sage if you have a hormone-sensitive condition, as it may affect hormone levels. Number 8. Rosemary is used to improve memory and concentration, relieve stress and anxiety, boost the immune and circulatory system, and promote hair growth, detoxify the liver, promote gallbladder health, and alleviate pain and inflammation. Rosemary can be consumed as tea, added to food, or taken as capsule form. Here are some situations why you should not use rosemary. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, as it may cause harm to the baby. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medication, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. If you have a seizure disorder, do not use rosemary if you have high blood pressure, as it may increase blood pressure. The last one, and thanks for sticking throughout the video. It's much appreciated. Number 9. Thyme is the most amazing herb to have in your garden. It's used to relieve respiratory issues such as cough, sore throat, bronchitis, and asthma, as well as digestive issues, fight acne, lower blood pressure, boost immunity, disinfect, and regulate mucus. Thyme is also used to treat respiratory issues, improve heart health, treat inflammation, treat dyspraxia, and improve digestive health. Thyme can be consumed as tea, added to food, or taken in capsule form. Here are some situations why you should not use thyme. Do not use thyme if you have hormone-sensitive conditions such as breast cancer, uterine cancer, ovarian cancer, endometriosis, or uterine fibroids, as it might act like estrogen in the body. If you are scheduled for surgery, as it might slow blood clotting and increase the risk of bleeding. Do not use thyme in excess, as it may cause some side effects such as digestive issues. It is important to note that while these herbs have many health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities to certain herbs, and some herbs may interact with medications or medical conditions.